Hello my lovelies, today's grace for your soul are these frozen yogurt granola bars. These are packed with protein and fruit. First you need to make the base and you're going to need to use 1 cup granola, 1/4 cup peanut butter or almond butter, and 1/4 cup maple syrup. You're going to mix this together until it forms a nice thick paste. And then you're going to line an 8x8 pan with wax paper. And you're going to spread the mixture evenly on the wax paper. And I take a spatula to press it down and spread it evenly onto my wax paper. And then you're going to spread 1 to 2 cups vanilla Greek yogurt evenly over the granola. And you can use any type of yogurt. It doesn't have to be Greek yogurt. And then you're going to add your fruits. I added pomegranates, blackberries, and pistachios. You can use whatever you want. You can use any fruit that you like, really. And you can use any type of nuts too. So that's what's great about this recipe. It's so versatile. I really enjoyed this combination though. It's just packed with super fruits. And then you're going to top this with another layer of yogurt. You're going to take a spatula and you're going to spread the yogurt evenly over that. And then you're going to top this top layer of yogurt with your remaining fruit and a little bit of granola and nuts. Then you're going to put this in the freezer and you're going to freeze this till frozen. You're going to remove it from the freezer. And now I'm just going to take this pan, I'm going to put it upside down and it just comes out very easily. And now I just want to remove that wax paper. And there we have it. It's so beautiful, this frozen yogurt granola bar. And now we're just going to take a knife and we're going to cut it into bars. So you can eat this like right after you take this out of the freezer, and to store it you just want to put it back in the freezer in a container. And then when I want to eat them, I take a couple out of the container and I thaw it out for about 20 or 30 minutes just so they're not too hard. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that little bell right next to it so you never miss a video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you try it, make sure that you leave a comment in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. I'll see you next time for a little grace for your soul.